Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This video is the second part in mini series of deep cleaning my house and cleaning the things that I don't clean on everyday basis. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to be cleaning are my windows, and I'm starting from the outside. I am taking my broom and just dusting everything off and all the spider web that was outside. I don't know if this is something that's common in this hot climate. We just moved here last year, but there's so many spiders everywhere, inside, outside. I just can't stand it anymore. Then I am cleaning my windows with just regular warm water and a few drops of Dawn dish soap to take all the dirt and dust off of it. I'm also going into the creases of the window because there's so much dust over there stuck too. And after that, I'm finishing it off with window cloth. And in my upcoming video, you will see the review of this cloth, so stay tuned. The next thing I'll be cleaning before starting the windows from the inside is clean the spider web and everything that's caught on the ceiling. Like I said, there's a lot of spiders everywhere, and honestly I can do this once a week and there's always going to be some spider web somewhere. So what I'm using is usually either just end of the vacuum cleaner, or I take my broom and put the towel around it or any rag, and I try to clean it that way. Next thing are my blinds. I'm just using a duster to dust it off really lightly, and after that I'm going to be cleaning my windows. For cleaning inside of the windows, I'm using only this glass cloth that I mentioned earlier. The windows from the inside are not so dirty, so it is very easy to clean them. And I make sure to clean the bottom of the windows because that's where all the dust collects. The next thing I'll be cleaning are my kitchen cabinets. They are white, so you can see every dirt on them, and I have to make sure to keep them clean. Also, I have to make sure to clean around the knobs. That's where we touch the most and leave fingerprints. And also around my stove, because that's where I cook and the steam gets stuck on it and the cabinets get sticky. So I try to clean them maybe every 2 months or as needed. This is the top of my microwave, and honestly, this is the part that I forget to clean. So whenever I see it and I remember it, I need to do it right away because I will forget. Another place that collects dust a lot is this part of the refrigerator that's sticking out. So I have to clean it also once a month maybe, or whenever I remember it. And the last thing I'm going to be cleaning is underneath my furniture. So this is my TV console. I'm going to make sure to go under and clean all the little spots that are not cleaned on a regular basis. And of course, I'm going to find a bunch of toys underneath because my kids always play over here in the living room. And also moving the sofa. I don't move this every week, so I was sure I'm going to find a bunch of things underneath. And yes, there are some toys, there is a passy, and a lot of crumbs on the floor. So I'm going to just vacuum that and clean the floors and put the sofa back. As always, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you got motivated. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. It helps support my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to have you. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and hope you get to clean a part of your house. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.